It's the parents today. First of all, is everybody's kid fantastic? Don't we have any dumb kids anymore? My parents were honest with people. We went to the aunts and the uncles. As soon as we walked in, my father was like, yeah, we don't know what's wrong with him. I don't know, something's off with this kid. Something's loose. I got my friends always coming over with the kids, bragging. She's so advanced. She's reading at a 4th grade level. She's only in 2nd grade. Nobody cares. If your kid could fly from my backyard to the front yard, yeah, I might want to see that. She's unbelievable. How's it happen?